Finally, the Guildhall is open. I don't know why, but I've never seen anyone use these doors here, even though it's the main entrance. Here's another hall. There's a lift here. It's got generic motor. The motor sounds like it sounds like a rather boring sounding modern train. That voice sounds a bit annoying sounding.
Going down. Floor -1.
Both lifts in this set are not working. Very glad they turned them off because in case it would be a bit embarrassing if this one wasn't working again and it came here. This is great, this hall. They've got a weather vane where the dial is separate from the instrument. The only other place that I've seen that is Amsterdam Central Station. This looks a lot like the papal tiara. And here's yet another room. This building is full of mirrors and gilding. This is St. Helen's, and this church, a bit strange, it was reordered substantially and it's now got the Dutch seating layout. Basically, this seating layout I call the Dutch seating layout. Basically what it is that many of the churches and cities in the Netherlands were built originally as Catholic churches. In the Catholic Church, the liturgy of the sacrament is more important than the liturgy of the word, so the seats are aligned to face the altar, while in the Dutch Reformed Church, the liturgy of the word is considered to be more important, so the seats are arranged to face the pulpit. So often you have a church that's arranged in the direction of the altar, but the seats are not perpendicular to the layout of the church, like you'd usually expect, because they've been realigned to face the pulpit, which is generally on the north wall in a Dutch Reformed church, because that has the best light. I don't like it when they reorder churches like this. I think it's cultural vandalism. Well, in the Netherlands, I can actually understand the historical reason behind it. And this is the Aviva headquarters. The thing that looks like a splinter in the Aviva logo, that's supposed to be the spire of Norwich Cathedral, because they used to be called Norwich Union Fire and Life. But they changed their name to Aviva because Norwich Union Fire and Life was too long. And they have their own car park. It's under there. And here is the gherkin. Also, this church engages in church plantation, which is when they church plantation, which is when they try to proselytize an entire church into their way of thinking. Although I don't like this sort of churchmanship, I sort of have to admit that it's one of the wonderful things about Anglicanism is that it doesn't specify all of the tiny details of everything. So it's very versatile to different beliefs, different ways of worship. This is the Gherkin. I've sadly come too late to go up it. It's now closed. It's disappointing. But I'm rather impressed at how they managed to not only close it, but get everyone out and remove all the signage in under an hour. And I can't really seem to see many security guards in the reception. One walks past every now and then. One walks past every now and then, like it's happening now. I guess they're all getting ready to go home because they've finished really punctually. They've managed to clear up everything from the open house in under an hour, and I'm quite impressed with that. Generic lift buttons. The annoying thing is, unless a building is number 1 of whatever street it's on, then the building numbering here is very confusing. But unless the building is number 1 of whatever street it's on, I hardly ever seem to put the house number. I only ever seem to put it if it's number 1 of whatever street it's on. Entrance via main reception of Richard Rogers building. Who is stupid enough to think that people will know the name of all of the different buildings that they occupy? To think that everyone will know the name of all the different buildings? Who's enough of an idiot to think that?